Hi everyone, and welcome back to your English Grammar in Use course. In this section we are going to explore using present perfect and the past simple. The reason for this, which I'm sure a lot of you guys may already be familiar with, is that the present perfect and past simple are commonly used together because they do complement each other. The present perfect allows you to introduce a subject. Past simple allows you to provide more direct information about that subject. So I have a simple example for you here. So I have been studying English this morning, which is actually present perfect continuous, and I'm sure you guys will remember that we use the continuous form of present perfect to describe recently completed actions. So I have been studying English this morning. I studied the present perfect tense. So I have been studying English this morning has introduced the idea of studying English. The past simple has given us more specific information. I studied the present perfect tense. So these two tenses, you will find they are very, very commonly used together. The present perfect followed by the past simple. You will hear it, you will see it in writing. If you haven't noticed the pattern of these two tenses being used, then go back and reread, re-listen to some things, and you will notice. Okay, so the present perfect, generally, if you recall, is a tense that is allowing us to connect a past event, something that happened in the past. It could be the distant past, it could be the most recent past with the continuous form, but this past event is being connected to the present time. Okay, we are connecting the past event to the present time through conversation, through communication. So I can talk about anything I have done in the past, and I'm connecting those events to the present time by communicating those events to you. Okay, so that's one of the main things that you need to remember about the present perfect. Yeah, we are connecting this past event, recent past, distant past, with the present simply by communicating. Okay, and most of the time with the present perfect, the timing of this past event, when it happened, doesn't really matter. Yeah, what we're mostly interested in with the present perfect is the fact that it did happen at some point in our past. Okay, so that's the first two elements that I want you to really consider about the present perfect and past simple. So the final thing I just want you guys to start thinking about and considering in this introduction to this section is one of the key differences between present perfect and past simple. So in the present perfect, okay, they have gone away, they'll be back next week. So they have gone away, present perfect. Whereas in the past simple, they went away but came back last week. So with the present perfect, they have gone away. They will be back next week. So you may hear or see this described in your grammar books as the same situation. So we're using the present perfect tense to describe something, describe an action. They have gone away that happened in the past, and the situation in your present is the same situation. So they have gone away and they are still away. So whoever they are, they've gone on holiday and they haven't returned from their holiday. So the situation is the same. This is one of the things that does cause a little bit of confusion, especially when you try and look at this in your grammar books. But basically, the present perfect is describing the same situation. They have gone away, and the situation is still that they have gone away. Yeah? But they'll be back next week. hopefully. Yeah. Okay, but with our past simple, okay, past simple, they went away. They went away. Past simple. Okay. Now, you will recall that with the past simple is an action that has been started and completed in the past. So they went away, but they came back last week. Yeah? Okay. So here they went away, started and completed in the past. So because it's been completed, the situation has to be different. So it's not the same situation, it's a different situation, because with the past simple, the action has to start in the past and finish in the past. So this is your present. The action started here and finished here. Past simple, the action is completed. Okay? So if you're using the past simple to describe something, then you're not describing something that is still the same. Okay? I hope this is an easier way to help you understand the difference between the same situation and different situation. If you have any questions about this, drop me a message and I will try my best to explain it even better if I have to. But the reason I've included this little part in this introductory video is because this does cause some confusion, especially when it's explained in the grammar books. But hopefully you can see here what I mean by the same situation and a different